Hello, gel press friends. Marjolaine here with gel press and Faith Impressions. Today I'll be using the Faith Impressions kit along with some Royal Talens product. So here I'm showing you their transparent gesso, and I'm also working in my Beautiful Word devotional. And I'm going to start with a layer of gesso, of the clear gesso, which they call transparent. And this is actually totally unnecessary because my paper is thick enough, but I had planned to not cover the words, which I ended up covering the words. But I really just wanted to try out this particular gesso. I'm really picky about clear gesso. It needs to feel good, it needs to go on smooth, and I'm really picky. So anyways, it passed the test. I really like it. So today I'm only using the straight border plate for my entry. All my stuff is kind of in storage right now, so I'm working on my kitchen counter with the bare essentials, and I was happy that I just got this box from Gel Press with all these really cool things from Royal Talens. And so here I'm using their metallic acrylic paint, and I have to say it's fabulous, and I love the colors, and it works so beautifully on the Gel Press plates. So if you've been watching me long enough, you know that my pages never turn out the way that I thought they would, and I end up improvising the whole way. And today's no different. I had a plan and I just got carried away as usual. So it shows that these paints are amazing because the page ends up looking really good. And as you can see, there's little white spots all over the place. That's because I did not clean my plate last time, and I never do. And I really like surprises, and I like the spotted design that I'm creating here. So along with Royal Talens, I'm also using ArtFoamies today. And this particular stamp I think I'm going to use over and over again. It is so nice. And I'm also using this one for texture. I really like it. I'm not seeing a title on it, so I'm not sure what it's called. But carrying on. So here I'm adding another layer. I'm stamping some silver on my plate, and as you will see, it doesn't show up very well, but it does leave a little bit of a ghost image. So it's an extra layer and it's all good. I'll just keep trying different things until I'm happy with what it looks like. So now I'm trying it again with gold, and it shows up a little better, but not quite as much as I wanted it to. But again, I'm just going to keep going. So here I'm using the Royal Talens gouache just to add some little dots here and there with my ArtFoamy stamp. And there's some texture on the plate, so I'm just gonna press that onto my page. It doesn't quite work out, but I still like it. So here I use the yellow gouache and it shows up a lot better, and I'm happy with that. And then this is where I get carried away and I'm just adding layer upon layer, and for a little bit I'm a bit scared because this is the ugly stage of art where you wonder if it's going to turn out. And now I'm stamping with the black gouache, and I'm really starting to like this page, and a theme is starting to appear, which will be about growth, and that's because of the ArtFoamy stamp. So because most of my stuff is stored away temporarily, I couldn't even find a piece of paper, so I tried to clean off my stamp on a paper towel, and it left this really cool texture, so I decided to add that to my page too. So now I pull out my Royal Talens Ecoline brush pens, and I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do with them yet, but I really want to use them, so I'm going to try a few things out. And oddly enough, despite the fact that most of my stuff is stored away and I can't find anything right now, my label maker was easy access. It kind of shows you my priorities. I couldn't find paper or a paintbrush, but my label maker, that was right there. So since I covered the devotional, and I can't even remember what it was about, I needed to find some kind of theme, and because of the ArtFoamy, I wanted something about growth. So here I am looking for a verse to go on with this page, And I settled on Galatians 6:9 that says, "And let us not grow weary of doing good, for in due season we will reap if we do not give up." And here I'm using the Ecoline brush pens just to outline my title so that it blends in a little better. And I'm just using my finger to kind of rub it in a little bit. So that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the Gel Press channel so that you don't miss any videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.